Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix eFootball 2027 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not working, keep stopping, black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Once your device restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, go to mobile data or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the problem, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stopping the game, now check if you can play it. If it doesn't resolve the problem, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game, click on storage. After that, click on clear cache. After that, go back. Now launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for eFootball, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, you have to go to the settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if any update is available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version. After that, go back, launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still continues, you are suggested to install a VPN app. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN. Lots of VPN apps will be available over here. Install any one of it, and after that, log into it, change the location, and then try to install the game and try to play it and check if it's working. If not, you should check if your phone have enough space available. So for that, you have to go to the settings. After that, go to RAM and storage. It may be differ from phone to phone. You have to check whether there is enough space or not. If space is less, you have to delete some unused apps or games or contents, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, you have to first uninstall the game. So click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, and then click on uninstall. Now after you uninstall the game, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for eFootball 2027 and again install it. And after installing the game once again, you have to check if the game is working or not. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.